Hello, today we will guide you through how to refund ticketandtrip.com. In this walkthrough, we'll use the trip.com website to find your booking and request a refund for a flight ticket. Keep your booking details handy and remember that refund availability depends on the airline's rules and the fare you purchased. Start by opening your browser and going to the official trip.com website. Using the official site ensures you see the most accurate prices, policies, and your current booking status. If you regularly use the trip.com app, the steps are similar, but we'll focus on the website for clarity. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right area of the screen for the section labeled My Bookings. Sometimes it can appear as My Trips or a user icon leading to bookings. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in to view your orders. Use the same account you used to make the purchase so your reservations appear correctly. Click My Bookings to open your list of orders. Here, you should see your recent reservations organized by product type. If you have multiple trips, scan the list or use any available filters to locate the flight you want to refund. Take a moment to check the booking status shown next to it, as that will determine what options you'll see. Select the flight booking to open its detailed order page. This page typically displays your itinerary, passenger information, payment summary, and most importantly, fare rules and change or refund conditions. Reviewing those rules now helps you understand if penalties apply, whether only taxes are refundable, and what timelines are involved. On the order page, look for a button or link that says Cancel to Refund. Depending on the situation, it might also appear as Refund, Cancel and Refund, or similar wording. Clicking it begins the refund request process. You may be asked to select passengers, confirm the segments to cancel, choose a reason, and then you'll see an estimated refund amount with any applicable fees. Read the breakdown carefully and confirm to submit the request. In some cases, like when the airline has already canceled the flight, you may see a clearer refund prompt or a message indicating you're eligible for a refund. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm. After submission, you can monitor the status back in My Bookings. Processing times vary by airline and payment method. Funds are typically returned to the original form of payment once approved. That's it. You've navigated to your booking, opened the order, and used Cancel to Refund to submit your request on Trip.com.